Rational 42.00.260p control board. Genuine OEM PCB for SCC series combi ovens. Replacement product description. The Rational 42.00.260p control board is a genuine OEM replacement part designed specifically for Rational SCC series combi ovens. This high-performance printed circuit board acts as the central control system of your oven, managing critical cooking operations such as temperature regulation, humidity control, cooking programs, timing cycles, and internal system communication. Built to original manufacturer standards, this OEM control board ensures perfect compatibility, stable performance, and long-term reliability in demanding commercial kitchen environments. Whether you operate a restaurant, hotel, bakery, or catering business, this component is essential for keeping your Rational combi oven running at peak efficiency. Key features: genuine OEM part, 100% original Rational manufacturer component. Precision control system, manages temperature, steam, timing, and cooking modes. Perfect compatibility, designed specifically for SCC series combi ovens. Improved reliability, restores full oven performance and stability. Durable construction, built for heavy-duty commercial kitchen use. Energy-efficient operation, helps maintain optimized cooking cycles and power usage. Professional-grade component, trusted in hotels, restaurants, and industrial kitchens. Common problems. This part fixes. If your oven is experiencing any of the following issues, the control board may be the cause: oven not powering on or random shutdowns, display errors or system fault codes, inaccurate temperature or humidity control, cooking programs not responding correctly, unstable or interrupted cooking cycles, communication failure between internal components, complete system freeze or unresponsive controls. Replacing the control board often restores full functionality without needing to replace the entire oven system. Important installation note: installation should always be performed by a qualified technician. Proper setup ensures safe operation, correct calibration, and full system functionality. Price and availability. The Rational 42.00.260p control board typically ranges in the market between approximately $1,800 to $2,300 depending on supplier, stock, and region. For the most accurate and updated price today, please check the product link in the description.